This message for all the broke college students out there that's struggling to pay their tuition or just want to make extra money online. This video is for you because I believe in this year, every college student should have money coming in while they sleep or even while they're in the classroom. My name is Shelton and welcome to the video today. And this is your first time. Is this your first time at this video? Hit that red subscribe button right below the video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. It's that time. Let's talk about it. How to make money as a college student if you're broke and if you don't have any money at all, or if you don't know where to start. Now, I talk to college students at least about twice a week, at least about 3 or 4 times a week, and we talk about the whole process of earning extra income. And it's always brought up to me is that they go to college to make more money. So that's the biggest thing. The second thing is the fact that they're relying on a job to be able to make more money when they go ahead and graduate from school. They don't not really thinking about growing their own business, growing their brand, growing their image. And I talk to so many students that basically relying on the system to go ahead and create success for them, where they're not really taking action on themselves to create opportunities for themselves. So the biggest topic was that if you're broke, a broke college student, which I'm seeing one right over here, I'm not saying he's broke, but he is a college student walking right over here, is the fact that they need to earn extra money. Now, when I was a college student, I was broke. I didn't have anybody doing videos like this when I was in college, where basically inspired me to start my own business or even trying to make money online. And so I told him about the program right below this video. Where he can go ahead and get started at a low price, where it'll teach you the skill set to grow your business, create your business, or even start your online business as soon as humanly possible. So this is actually even for professors and teachers as well. So professors and teachers as well, because I'm on a college campus and I want to help people make money online while they're in the classroom, while they're sleeping, while they walk into the second classroom, or they're in their office at all. So I told them about the program right below the video, right where you can be access to as well. And I told them to go through the steps, sign up, and take action on the next pages. Taking action on the next page, because creating an online business is something that everyone should look at. It doesn't have to be in your niche, it doesn't have to be in my niche, but the program I have is something that everybody can really do. It's easy to sign up, it's easy to do. You spend so many hours a day doing it, and then you can go ahead and be in your classroom, you can go ahead and go to the beach, you can go for next vacation. You can do other things as well. So when I mentioned this idea to a couple of college students and 2 professors and teachers, one of them may be coming behind me right now. When I told them about this idea, they were looked at me in some shock, like they saw a ghost. They looked at me, saw a ghost. So I told them, I was like, listen, sign up on this program. We'll teach you how to grow, create, or even start your online business as soon as humanly possible. Walk through the steps. It's just like any other college course. It's just that it's online and you're around people that want the same type of success. So I told them about the Facebook group. We have a Facebook group where it's nothing but like-minded individuals there to create success for themselves and help others along the way. So I told them about that as well. Once again, click on the link below so you can get access to that. I want you to get access to, want you to get access to this, exactly what I'm talking about. So I told them about that. You can start the process of making money online. I can't guarantee you success, but I can also guarantee the fact that when you sign up, you're gonna at least have the opportunity to go ahead and create a success for yourself. And who knows, if you continue at it, it can be a full-time income for you. So click on the link below to get started. No more broke money, no more broke mindset, no more broke college student or even broke professors or teachers, because I was a broke college student once and I want to help a lot of college students create success on their own. It's okay to be in a college classroom if that is something you want to do. I'm here to help create additional income stream for you can pay for that tuition, or you can pay for those books, or you can go on a vacation. You actually can go out to a date and pay for it. You can use your secondary or third income to doing that. And why not doing it online where it pays every Friday, you learn a skill set, and you have a lot of fun along the way. So click on the link below to get started. Click on the link to get started because we're waiting for you, and this is your year to break through. So my name is Adam Shelton. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because I can't wait to do another video because I want to help so many people to earn an additional income, and that's you as well. So because there's 2 other college students going to be coming along the way, I'm going to tell them the same type of story that I'm telling you. I'm going to tell them the same thing as well in terms of making money online. And get this, when you learn these skill sets, you can use it to any type of idea of your choice. But it's all about the education and about making money online. I'll be honest with you. So click on the link below to get started. Click on the link below to get started, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.